ABML Morning Update. US-Iran-Israel war, the black swan event that every fund manager have been silently dreading. Global markets. Stocks had another wild session on Tuesday as concerns around a prolonged US-Iran conflict rattled markets, though comments from President Donald Trump appeared to somewhat assuage those worries. Dow lost 0.83%, S&P slipped 0.94%, while Nasdaq fell 1.02%. Trump said Tuesday afternoon that the US Navy will escort tankers through the Strait of Hormuz if necessary. Brent crude oil, the global benchmark, settled up 4.71%. That was a far cry from its high of the day and follows a 6% spike Monday. WTI crude also came off its high and settled up 4.68%. It also posted a 6% gain in the previous session. Both had been up more than 9%. The day's initial jump in energy prices had boosted treasury yields on fears higher prices may cause inflation to flare back up, just as US investors are banking on more Federal Reserve rate cuts to boost the economy. However, yields later paired their advance along with oil prices. European stocks finished sharply lower on Tuesday as the intensifying conflict in the Middle East continued to weigh on global investor sentiment. The Pan-European Stock 600 ended Tuesday's session 3.2% lower, extending Monday's losses that saw the index close down 1.6%. Domestic market. Indian equity indices ended on a negative note on March 2nd. At close, the Sensex was down 1.29% at 80,239 and Nifty was down 1.24% at 24,866. GIFT Nifty trades lower by 503 points at 24,489, signaling a negative start to the trading session. India's manufacturing PMI rose to 56.9 in February from 55.4 in January, marking the strongest expansion in 4 months and remaining comfortably above the 50 threshold that separates growth from contraction. The latest reading also came in slightly below the preliminary estimate of 57.5. The data signaled a solid improvement in overall business conditions across the manufacturing sector. Growth was primarily driven by a sharp rise in domestic demand. New orders increased at their fastest pace since October, indicating strong underlying consumption trends. Production volumes expanded at the quickest rate in 4 months, supported by improved efficiencies and steady inflows of work. The increase in output prices was supported by favorable demand conditions. Employment levels rose to a 4-month high during the period. Business confidence strengthened to a 4-month high in February. Manufacturers expressed optimism regarding output growth in the coming months. Focus for the day: India PMI, UK PMI, US PMI. Key corporate development/policy actions. The Ministry of Defence signed 5,083 crore rupees deals for 6 ALH Mark III helicopters and Shtil missiles. 2,901 crore rupees went to Hindustan Aeronautics and 2,182 crore rupees to JSC Rosoboron Export Russia. L&T faces project risks, stating potential damage to infrastructure/hydrocarbon sites could delay or cancel projects if conflict escalates. JSW Cement has been declared the preferred bidder for the Sikilangso Limestone Block Part A and B mining lease in Assam, with each limestone block spread over 200 hectares. Mahindra & Mahindra has received an advance payment for its 35,000-unit LCV export order from Indonesia and has not received any communication regarding its suspension. The order, secured on February 4th, is the company's largest ever export deal. Fund flow. FII sold shares worth 32.30 billion rupees, while DII bought for 85.93 billion rupees.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.